Divorce has a psychological, emotional, and financial impact on an entire family. The financial impact can be considerable as income changes and costs for support rise. Be prepared. Statistics show that only 42% of custodial single parents who were awarded child support in 2011, for instance, received all the child support money that was due. 9 states are community property states, which means assets acquired during the marriage by either spouse will generally be divided equally. The remaining states are based on equitable distribution, which does not necessarily mean an equal distribution. The court will consider many tangible and intangibles in coming to a decision on how to divide your assets. People facing divorce sometimes don't get all they deserve because they are anxious to get it over with. But don't rush through this. Don't willingly give up what you have a right to, especially if you have custody of children, since your financial situation impacts them as well. If you and your spouse can't come to an amicable agreement about the terms of your divorce, you will each most likely consult an attorney. Be sure to also consult a financial advisor to seek investment planning advice prior to a divorce settlement. You'll want to assess the real value of your assets and take tax consequences into consideration. For help with this difficult situation, give us a call today.